Hi students, today we are going to learn a story sums. It means story problem. Both words are same. Story word problem also we can say. Otherwise story sum also we can say. What is mean by story sum? This is your first stage. Yes, you are in second standard, I know. This story sums, it is your first stage. How to solve that? Story sums means, do you know student, you have learnt stories from your father, from your mother, from your grandparents also. Yeah, this like story given in the example, but by this example we have to find out their data. It means what given particularly in the question in the example, and by this example we have to solve their examples. Okay, how is this? Let's see. We will see now. Example: Tina has, attention students, Tina has 18 books. She bought more 7 books from shop. Attention students, what wrote on the board? This is most important thing. Whenever you are going to read the question, that time you read but with understanding. Okay, see, from shop. How many books? Next sentence is there. How many books altogether is she has? Okay, is it clear? Attention, I read it again. I explain you. Tina has 18 books. She bought more 7 books from shop. How many books altogether is she has? I tell you students, keywords. Keywords means what? Keywords, K-E-Y-W-A-R-D-S. Keywords means, from these keywords you can identify, is this which operation? Is this subtraction or is this addition? Okay, see, for the addition, addition, how to identify? Keywords, when it is using, when is the example of addition. But how to identify it is the addition example? By these keywords. See which are there. Altogether, in all, total, and together. Only together. Together. These words can indicate in the example. This is the addition operation example. Is it okay? Now see how to solve that like example. First of all, take out their rough data to identify. Tina has 18 books. How many books she has now? Books. Write down rough data. How many books are there? 18. She bought more 7 books from shop. Bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought 7 books from shop. How many books altogether is she has? Now altogether, this word can indicate here keyword. Yeah, is there a keywords? Altogether, it means it is the addition operation. Okay, let's start to addition. 18 plus 7. Otherwise, make their column also, student. If you can't solve this like, make their column. Tens and unit. Otherwise, ones. Ones means O. Also you can write. Now which number books of, how many number of books? 18 books she had first, and she bought more 7 books. This is the single number. So you can write on unit place, on ones place. Now Just I said like that, all together it means the operation of addition. Now addition operation I had done here. See, let's start to solve. 8 plus 7, how many? 8. 8 after count 7 fingers, otherwise 7 lines. 8, 9, so sorry, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It means, is it correct? See, 8 after I drawn here 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can count forward numbers then. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do you know, students, we are writing 15, that's like. Yes, but from the 15 we want to take only 5 on ones place. So take here 5. Okay, and remaining 1, what will you do? You will take their carry. It's calling carry. We are taking carry. So it's calling carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Is it clear? We have done 15 number is divided in this way, in tens and unit. From 5 we wrote here 5 only from 15, and remaining 1 we have taken carry. Then we add this number 1 plus 1, 2. It means total, what is our final answer? 25. So you can write their final answer in sentence. How to write in sentence? Want to write, students? Don't write like that. Suppose you have solved in the example, in the exam also, but it is correct, but here not getting full mark, you are getting half mark. Okay, so you want to write there in full sentence. How will you write? Next, up to here we know that how to write, and we have solved that. Next question is that how many books altogether is she has? Now you can write here how many. Replace the word, and on that word write the particular given answer. 25. Okay, and like this question, you can write as it is. It means 25 books she has. Understand, students, how to solve this? If you have any problem, you can discuss with us. Thank you.